Animals in nature. Why zebras have stripes. Once upon a time in the vast African savannah, there lived a young zebra named Zuri. One hot afternoon, Zuri wondered about her unique stripes as she drank from a watering hole. As Zuri pondered her stripes, she asked the wise old elephant, Elekesha, why zebras have such distinct patterns. Elekesha, wise and patient, agreed to share a story. Elekesha told Zuri a tale from long ago when lions, with cunning eyes, began to prey on the unsuspecting zebra herd. To protect themselves, the zebras needed camouflage. In the heart of the herd, a young zebra proposed that each zebra have unique stripes to confuse predators. The idea was met with nods of approval and hopeful gazes. The zebras gathered paint from the nearby river and set to work, painting their bodies with bold, beautiful stripes. When they finished, the herd stood as a breathtaking sight. With their newfound camouflage, the zebras faced the lion pride with determination and courage. The lions were puzzled by the striped herd, but soon found themselves defeated. From that day forward, every zebra was born with unique stripes, ensuring they could always protect themselves and their families from danger. And so the tale of the zebras and their stripes became a cherished legend in the African savannah. Every zebra carried the story in their hearts, never forgetting the day they gained their beautiful camouflage. As the years went by and the savannah changed, the legend of the stripes was passed from elder to child, becoming woven into the very fabric of their existence. And as the sun rose each morning over the vast savannah, the story of the zebra's stripes lived on, reminding every zebra to remember their past and honor their unique heritage. As Zuri watched her family gallop across the vast expanse, she felt a sense of pride knowing that she was part of such an incredible legacy. She knew that she and all zebras would forever be protected by their stripes. The legend of the zebra's stripes became a symbol of resilience, camaraderie, and unity for all who heard it. And as Zuri looked out over the savannah at the generations of zebras that had come after her, she knew their story would live on forever.